Welcome back to the RSS with Google Reader series. In the first 2 episodes in this series, I talked about what RSS was, how to sign up for a Google Reader account, and I mentioned subscribing to an RSS feed. Let me show you exactly what that means. Here we are on butterscotch.com. Now, if I didn't use a feed reader, which is what Google Reader is, then every time I wanted to know if there was a new A-list episode or Lab Rats, I would have to come to Butterscotch and see what sort of new content was available. By subscribing to the RSS feed on Butterscotch, all of the new content will be delivered to my feed reader, again, which is Google Reader, and I won't need to keep coming back to see if I've missed something. To subscribe to the feed, I'll just go to the link that says RSS feeds. You probably recognize this little orange icon. This is the standard RSS icon that most websites use. If you see one, you want to subscribe to the feed, just click on it. This is the feed for all of the shows on Butterscotch, and these are for individual shows. So if I wanted to choose to subscribe to all of the shows, I'd click here, and so on. When you click on the subscribe link, you'll be brought to a page where you can choose the feed reader you use. Since I'm using Google Reader, I'll choose that. Down here, you'll see the latest shows that I'm subscribing to. Then just click on Subscribe Now. Now here I am in my Google Reader, and here are all of the latest episodes from Butterscotch delivered to me. It's that easy, and you can do the same thing on any website that has an RSS feed. Just look for the icon or a link that says subscribe. Remember, there are 10 parts to this series, so don't forget to check out the other episodes in the RSS with Google Reader series.